Hello viewers, this is Mani from MASSIC Creation channel and you are watching Vagrant and VirtualBox series. So in this video we are going to discuss about shell provisioner in Vagrant. Vagrant support most of the provisioner like Ansible, Chef, Puppet, Salt, Podman, Docker. So in this video we are going to stick with the shell provisioner. Okay, the objective of the shell provisioner is to execute the commands outside of your VM. Let me quickly show you the code here. I'm just opening the VS Code and this is the background file. So I'm just using CentOS 8 image and then I'm using the port forwarding here. So 8 is the guest OS and the 881 is the host OS. Then I'm using one private network and this is the flavor for my VM. And so totally I'm using 2 GB of memory and 2 CPUs, and CentOS 8 is the name of the VM that will appear in the VirtualBox. So this is the code used for the shell provisioner. In order to provision inside your VM, we have to follow this syntax config.vm.provision is this cell, and you have two options to execute your commands. First one is the inline. So this is a place where you have to specify the direct commands. Let's say you see I am using the set command over here to change the password authentication from no to yes inside the SSH configuration file. Then I am reloading the SSH configuration and I am executing hostname control. And you have another way if you want to execute some multiple commands. So this is the syntax that you have to follow. So in the beginning and end of the block you have to mention the shell along with the less than symbol and hyphen. So in between that you can mention multiple commands. So here I'm just printing the echo message like a script running from the inline shell VM. Okay, and it will install EPEL release repo. It will install the figlet and simply it will echo the hi from CentOS 8 message. And the second option is the path based execution. If you have any bash script, then you can specify the location of the bash script over here. So in this video I created two bash script. One is the run.sh and another one is the run1.sh. In run.sh, so first it will print the message that script running from run.sh file. So this script will install the wget package and it will download the fish repo. Fish is nothing but the friendly interactive shell. So in CentOS 8 bash is the default shell. So fish has more feature when compared to bash. So we are just installing the fish package. Then we are installing the Linux user package. So these two commands will change the default shell to fish shell. And the second script run1.sh, this one simply will install the Apache server and it will start the service. Okay, then now we can execute this script. So currently I am under document shell provisioning directory. So inside this directory we have 3 files. So already we have discussed about these files, run.sh, run1.sh and another Vagrant file, and I cat out this Vagrant file. Okay, and this is my VirtualBox. So now I am executing Vagrant up command over here. Okay, so now the machine is up. It start creating the machine now. Okay, now the VM you can see setting the name of the VM CentOS 8. Now the name of the VM is CentOS 8 here. So now port forwarding has been enabled. So now it has enabled two port forwarding. One is the 80 and another one is the 22. Okay, so the machine is completely up now. Okay, now you can see running provisioner shell. So first inline script is completed. So this is second inline script. This is also complete. Now you can see script running from the run.sh file. Now we start executing the commands inside the run.sh file. and this is running provision of this shell. So first it will install the wget package. Okay, you can see installing wget package, and then it will next step it will add the fish repo. You can see the fish repo has been started here. Once it's added, then it will start installing the fish package. You can see installing the fish package over here. Okay, you can see it's start installing the fish here. Okay, then after that it will start installing the Linux user package. So fish is completed. Now you can see installing the user package over here, installing the util Linux user now. Okay, and now you can see changing shell for user Vagrant and changing shell for user root. Now the shell has been changed successfully. Now you can see now it start executing the next script run.sh. Simply it will install the Apache and it will enable the service and start the service. So Apache installation is ongoing right now. Okay, so only one package is left to complete. Yeah, that is also is installed now. Okay, now you can see the package has been enabled and it has been started now. Now it's running the last inline script running on the inline shell VM. So this one will just install enable the EPL Enterprise Linux repo, and then it will install the Figlet. Okay, extra package Enterprise Linux. Okay. Okay, now you can see it start installing the Figlet now. Okay, I think it's completed now, and you can see last it has print high from CentOS 8. Okay, so now the VM creation has been completed now. So let me access the server. So now we can see welcome to fish. This is the friendly interactive shell. So now right now I am under Vagrant user. Now if I sudo hyphen, now if I use execute sudo hyphen I, so for root user also the friend shell, the fish shell has been enabled. Okay, so the next one we have to verify that using this IP address. So using this IP address we have to log in inside the VM. So let me verify this one. So as a search Vagrant @172.42.42.100. Yes, so default password is the Vagrant. So yes, so using this IP address I can able to access the VM. And last one more functionality is pending now. So only one verification is till pending now. So for that I am just opening the web browser. Now we have to ensure that whether we can able to access the Apache web server. So for that I am just using the private IP address to access the web page. So okay, so now you can see we can able to access the Apache web server test page. Yeah, so that's it for now. So just try this method, it's so simple. And if you have any other queries, just let me know in the comment section, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Yeah, thank you.